ॐ येनात्मना विलीयन्ते उद्भवन्ति च वृत्तयः इत्यावगतये तस्मै नमोऽधिः प्रत्ययात्मने शतशो वचोऽसिभिः ररक्षवेदार्थनिधिं विशालधीर् नमो यतीन्द्रीयसे शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। उपदेश साहस्री तत्वमसि प्रकरणम श्लोक नंबर 24 पेज नंबर 253 इन आत्मा बंध संबंध बोधक प्रमाणम is not there. Means there is no pramanam to prove there is bandhana in atma. Shabda pramanam is not there because Brahma is not Shabda Gochara. For Shabda Gocharatvam, Shabda Pravritti Nimittam is needed. It is not there. Brahma also is devoid of Rupadi Hinatvat, na Bahyendriya Vargaha Tasmin Kramate. Bahyendriya Varga, Chakshu Shrotra Ityadi, they cannot know because it is Arupam, Arasam, Agandham, etc. Further in Tika, Ataeva na tat swarupa sambadhataya लिंग विशेषाग्रहण अग्रहणात् अनुमानार्थापत्ति तस्मिन् संभवतो। तत्स्वरूप संबद्धतया, तत्स्वरूप मीन्स that रूपादिहीन शब्दादि अगोचर रूपादिहीन स्वरूप संबद्धतया Linga Vishesha Agrahana. Even if you say only Rupadi Vihina, that which does not have Rupa Rasa Gandha Shabda Sparsha, Linga Vishesha Grahanam will not happen in that Atma. Because for Linga Vishesha, Linga means Hetu. For Anumana you need Linga, Hetu. That Hetu Vishesha, that there is some Sambandha with any Dravya, any Guna, something that you will not be able to know. Linga Vishesha Agrahana. Therefore, neither you can do Anumanam nor you can do Arthapatti. So, for Anumanam, you need Hetu. What all things you need for Anumanam?
Pratijna Hetu Drishtanta.
Paramarsha.
Paramarsha.
Paramarsha. Vyapti.
Vyapti. Linga Paramarsha is needed according to Nyaya. Vyapti Jnanam is needed. So when we say Drishtanta means that Drishtanta is where Vyapti is. Drishtanta should have Hetu, Drishtanta should have Sadhya, etc. So if Pratyaksha Pramana doesn't work, Anumanam cannot function. And Arthapatti also. For Arthapatti, what is the Lakshana for Arthapatti?
Upapadya Jnanena Upapadaka Kalpanam.
Upadya Jnanena Upapadaka Kalpanam. So there also, Upapadya should be known through some Pramana. Upapadaka kalpana you will do. But upapadya is required to be known through some pramana. So arthapatti also will not happen. In another some commentary it is given as because it is avikari, therefore arthapatti will not happen. That you can derive from this, because that which is having shabda sparsha rupa rasa guna will be vikari, like ghata. Yatra yatra sagunatvam tatra tatra vikaritvam, ghatavat. So if you need arthapatti, it has to be vikari. Like Devadatta. So Atma is avikari. Therefore, Anumana arthapatti tasmin na sambhavata. Na anvaya will happen there. Then, avayavadi abhavat na upamanam. It does not have parts. Therefore, upamana pramana will not happen. Upamana requires what? What is upamanam?
Sadrishya.
Sadrishya jnanam. Sadrishya means similarity. Similarity will be there if some part of Chaitra and some part of Maitra, they have sadrishyam, similarity. Then you can say upama, you can give upama of Chaitra for Maitra. That which doesn't have avayava, there is no sadrishyam. Avayavadi abhavat na upamanam. Then bhavarupatvat eva na anupalabdhihi api. And Atma is bhavarupa, anupalabdhi pramana will not work there. Anupalabdhi will work only where there is abhava. Anupalabdhihi na anupalabdhihi api iti pratiti matram parishishyate na pramana siddho bandha sambandha iti. Therefore, there is only pratiti of bondage. In Atma, the samsaritva is bhranti. Bhrantya siddha, not pramana siddha. I am dukhi. If somebody says ahankar is dukhi, is okay. Atma is dukhi is not okay. Atma cannot have dukha sambandha. But Atma, ahankara, anyanya, adhyasa. And then you say aham. This adhyasta entity, aham. Aham dukhi, aham sukhi, aham dukhi. This is adhyasa. This is anartha. न प्रमाण सिद्धो बंध संबंध इति यतो न संभाव्यौ आत्मनि अपि शब्द प्रत्ययौ इति यतः सिंस आत्मनि अपि शब्द प्रत्ययौ न संभाव्यौ. In Atma, Shabda Pratyaya, both of them are not possible. Shabda means Vag Vyapara, Vag Vyavahara. And Pratyaya means Antakarana Vyapara. Both of them are not possible. Where is the question of Bandhana? Kincha Shabda Pratyayoho means what is being said is because of Bhranti only I think I am asansari. So my whole effort should be there in removing Bhranti. My effort should not be primarily in this, that, these, all these other things are problems. Not in that. Bhranti, aham. If somebody says, I have problem, then the question is, koham. Who is asking? Ahamayam kuto bhavati. So you ask this, not this idam idam idam. किंच शब्द प्रत्ययोः प्रमाणत्व अभिमतयोः तथैव च अहंकर्तुः प्रमातृत्व अभिमतस्य च तदात्मत्वात् ब्रह्मात्मत्वात् न तद्गोचरत्वम् उपपद्यते. Not only this, he says प्रमाण प्रमाता प्रमाण प्रमेय, this triputi. This triputi actually is nothing but Brahma alone appearing as this because of avidya. In Naishkarma Siddhi, one of the, I think, third chapter, somewhere this line is there. Pramata Praman Prameya, Karta Karma Kriya, Bhokta Bhogya Bhoga. All these 9 are adhyastha in Brahma. Pramata, Karta, Bhokta, all are adhyastha. Similarly, whatever is the prameya which becomes karma or bhogya is also prameya, is also adhyastha. And the prama, bhoga, whatever, everything is adhyastha. Kriya is adhyastha. And so they are not different from adhisthana. Shabda and pratyaya, which are considered as pramana, and ahankara, which is considered as pramata, ahankartuhu pramatritva abhimatasya cha, they all are nothing but Brahma only. Tadatmatvat, Brahmatmatvat. They are one with Brahma. And therefore, na tad gocharatvam upapadyate. Therefore, that adhyastha sarpa cannot know adhisthana. Tad gocharatvam na upapadyate. Brahma will not become Vishaya of Shabda Pratyaya through Ahankara Pramata. Okay, somebody says, any other Shabda, any other Pratyaya, nahi agantukayoho Shabda Pratyayoho Ahankartuhu va Chidatmanaha Prithak Swarupam Asti. Agantuka Shabda means any new Shabda, any new Pratyaya, or another Ahankara, they all are also not different from Chidatma. Means any existing Ahankara is also Adhyasa. Any new Ahankara is also Adhyasa. They don't have Prithak Swarupam from Chidatma. Prithak Swarupam na asti. And Swatmani tu Kriya Anupapattihi ityarthaha. And because of that, Kriya within one's own self means Brahma, knowing Brahma as a Kriya is not going to happen. There is a statement in Khandana, I think. अत्यंत निपुणोपि नटः स्वस्कंधे स्थातुं न शक्नोति. Something like that. अत्यंत निपुणोपि नटः. Even if a great actor or a gymnast, no matter how skillful they are, cannot sit on their own shoulder or cannot stand on their own shoulder. So this is Swatmani Kriya Virodhat. In Atma, it becoming Pramata also and Prameya also, or Jnanasya Vishaya and Jnata, both is not possible. So the understanding after this is should be what? Tasmat adhyastha nisheda eva vaktavya. Yasmat bandhanam adhyastam. Tasmat bandhasya nishedopi adhyastha. Adhyastha nisheda. If bondage is superimposition, its elimination is also superimposition. Adhyastha nisheda eva vaktavya. Iti siddham. This is siddham. Ityaha. अहंकर्त्रात्मनि न्यस्तम चैतन्ये कर्तृतादियत नेति नेति तत्सर्वं साहंकर्त्रा निषिध्यते. One correction is there. Chaitanye, not Chaitanyam. अहंकर्त्रात्मनि न्यस्तं चैतन्ये कर्तृतादितयत् नेति नेति तत्सर्वं साहंकर्त्रा निषिध्यते. चैतन्ये अहंकर्त्रा आत्मनि यत् कर्तृतादि न्यस्तं तत्सर्वं नेति नेति इति साहंकर्त्रा निषिध्यते. चैतन्ये, इन चैतन्य ब्रह्म, यत् न्यस्तं, न्यस्तं अध्यस्तं, what is thrown in that chaitanya. Chaitanya Atmani, they have Samanadhikaranyam. Huh? Atmani Chaitanya. Ahankartra, by the Ahankarta, Kartrutadi Adhyastam, Nyastam. By Ahankara, this Kartrutva, etc. are Adhyastam. In Chaitanya Atma. Whatever that Adhyasa is done, beginning with Kartrutva, earlier Tika said Pramatritva, Shloka said Kartrutva. So you should understand all of this. Tat sarvam, all of that, neti neti iti sahankartra nishidhyate. By neti neti vakya, athata adesho neti neti sarvasya nishedaha. Tat sarvam. Neti neti is vipsa. Vipsa means it is trying to say not only two. Everything. Yatihi dwaram dwaram atati. Yatihi dwaram dwaram atati. A sannyasi goes from door to door for bhiksha. Dwaram dwaram means not only two houses. He can keep going dwaram dwaram until he gets enough food. Gramam gramam sundaram means every village is beautiful. So neti neti will do nishedha of all. Sahankartra. Ahankartra saha. What is the sutra there? Saputraha. Putrena saha.
तेन सह इति तुर्यात्.
तेन सह तुल्यति. तेन सहेति तुल्य योगे. हाँ, तेन सहेति तुल्य योगे. If it is saputra, sa adhyasa or sahankara, and if it is aputra, then what is the sutra? Vigraha will be avidyamano अविद्यमानः पुत्रो यस्य सः अपुत्रः. What is the सूत्र for अनेकम अन्य पदार्थे? अनेकम अन्य पदार्थे. टीका. चैतन्ये चित्स्वरूपे आत्मनि यद अहंकर्ता साभास अंतःकरण अविवेकेन कर्तृत्वादि न्यस्तम आरोपितम तत्सर्वं नेति नेति इति निषिध्यते. साहंकर्ता अहंकर्ता सह इत्यर्थः. चैतन्ये चित स्वरूपे, चैतन्य चैतन्य चित स्वरूप आत्मनि, in that atma, yad ahankarta न्यस्तम, that which is superimposed by ahankarta. Ahankarta is tritiya. साभास अंतःकरण अविवेकेन, साभास अंतःकरण अविवेकेन आत्मनि न्यस्त. कर्तृत्वादि, कर्तृत्व भोक्तृत्व एक्सेट्रा आरोपितम तत्सर्वं नेति नेति इति निषिध्यते. ऑल ऑफ दैट इज निगेटेड बाय नेति नेति. साहंकर्ता निषिध्यते. साहंकर्ता मीन्स अहंकर्ता सह, like रामेण सह. So ahankarta saha. Ramena is tritiya, saha will govern tritiya. अध्यस्त निषेध एव चेत, अध्यस्त निषेध एव च इच्छास्त्रेण क्रियते. कथं तर्हि आत्मनः स्वरूपोपलब्धिः इति अत आह. सॉरी, अध्यस्त निषेध एव चेत शास्त्रेण क्रियते. शास्त्रेण अध्यस्त निषेध एव क्रियते चेत. If Shastra is doing only nisheda of adhyastha vastu, okay. So what is, we saw this somewhere, Shastra is there only to remove the avarana, not for, in Siddhanta Bindu I think we saw, Shastra is there to remove the avarana on Atma. Shastrena adhyastha nisheda eva kriyate chet, then what is, how Atma will be known? Atmanah swarupa upalabdhi katham. So shloka says, उपलब्धि स्वयं ज्योतिर दृषि प्रत्यक्षदक्रियः साक्षात् सर्वान्तरः साक्षी चेता नित्यो गुणोद्वयः. उपलब्धिः स्वयं ज्योतिर दृषिः प्रत्यक्षदक्रियः साक्षात् सर्वान्तरः साक्षी चेता नित्यो गुणोद्वयः. आत्मा, all these visheshanas for Atma. Atma is upalabdhihi, स्वयं ज्योतिः, दृशिः, प्रत्यक्, सत्, अक्रियः, साक्षात् सर्वान्तरः, साक्षी. Or you can separate साक्षात् and सर्वान्तरः. साक्षी, चेता, नित्यो, अगुणो, अद्वयः. How many are there? उपलब्धिः, स्वयं ज्योतिः, दृशिः, प्रत्यक्, सत्, अक्रियः, साक्षात्, सर्वांतरः, साक्षी, चेता, नित्यो, अगुणो, अद्वयः. 13. For all of them there is some shruti. Atma itself is Upalabdhi Swarupa. Swayam Jyotihi, Atma is Swayam Jyoti Swarupa, Swayam Prakasha. Drishihi, Atma is Drashta, Drishi Swarupam, Gaganopamam Param, Sakrit Vibhatam. Then
त्वजमेकम् अक्षरम्
Tvajamekam Aksharam. Then Alepakam, Sarvagatam, Tadadvayam, Tadevachaham, Satatam,
विमुक्तम्
Vimukta Om. That is the shloka. So, Drishihi, Pratyak, Pratyak Chaitanya, Sat, Akriyaha, Sakshat, Sakshad Aparokshad Brahma, that is the Sakshat. And Ayam Atma Sarvantaraha, so Sarvantaraha. Sakshi Cheta, Kevalo Nirgunasya, almost all of them are there. And Nityo Nityanam, so all the, and then Shantam Shivam, Advaitam, so your Advayaha is given. Anupalabdhyadi Swarupat. So I am assuming you know all the words. Pratyak means innermost. Sad means abadita. Akriyaha, actionless. Sakshat means that which does not need any pramana in the middle to reveal that prameya. Sarvantaraha, Mamatma Sarvabhuta. And Sakshi Cheta, Chaitanya Swarupa. Nityaha, Nirgunaha, Advitiya. Non-dual, without any attributes, etc., etc. Anupalabdhyadi Swarupatve Pramana Bhavat iti Itaratra cha Sakshat ityadina. So, Anupalabdhyadi Swarupatve Pramana Bhavat. Therefore, it is Upalabdhi Swarupa, it is Swayam Jyoti, etc. And Sakshad, Aparokshad, Brahma, etc. Ityadina Uttarardha Sutrita Shrutinam Pramanatvat. All these Shruti which are quoted here, they are the Pramana. Swaprakasha eva Atma Sata Sada Swata Siddha ityadhi. Atma is Swaprakasha Sada Siddha. So what is the idea? All we need to do is remove the avarana from Atma. Means this two-step process, removing avarana and illumining the Vishaya, this is kalpana. Okay, don't think this is happening step 1, step 2. This vritti vyapti and phala vyapti, they are imagined by the acharyas to show that how in certain cases both are required, vritti vyapti and phala vyapti, and in certain cases only vritti vyapti is needed, phala vyapti doesn't happen or cannot happen. And how or where they are, so those different cases are there. Then what is the role of vritti vyapti? It says ajnana nivritti. What is the role of phala vyapti? To illumine the object. So in this way, more discussions are there. But what we should understand finally is that when we study Vedanta Vidya, we should not think that, yes, I am studying about Brahma. Yes, I am studying about Brahma. Brahma is asamsari. I understood everything. Brahma is not dukhi. Brahma is Jagat Karana. I understood. means you have not understood anything. Vedanta is not trying to say Brahma is asamsari and Brahma is Jagat Karan. Brahma is Adhishthanam. I have to let go of my this identity. Then what remains is Jagat Adhishthanam, is Brahma. So this is why we study Vedanta. We don't study Vedanta for understanding about some Brahma, or we don't study Vedanta so that we can tell people, I know Vedanta, I can teach you. That is Gauna. Mukhya is, I should be asamsari. If that phalam I don't see, then Shastradhitistu Nishphala. स्वप्रकाश एव आत्मा सदा स्वतः सिद्ध इत्यर्थ. ननु आत्मा आत्मीयम इति च द्वयम अहम मम प्रत्यय गोचरत्वेन प्रसिद्धम तथा सति कथम आत्मा स्वतः सिद्ध इति आशंक्य उपाधिवशात् तथा प्रसिद्धि इत्याह. Somebody Purva Pakshi is asking, Atma, Atmiya, these two are Aham Mama Pratyaya Gochara. You are saying Atma is not Aham Pratyaya Gochara. Atma is Aham Pratyaya Gochara. And Atmiya, what belongs to Atma? Cha Pratyaya. Atmiya is Mama Pratyaya Gochara. It is mine. Gocharatvena Prasiddham. स्व सर्वनाम शब्द is there. Swa sarvanama shabda, its meaning is Atma Atmiya sometimes. Sometimes means except for, I think, Jnati and something else. In other sense, it will get Sarvanama Sanya. Dvayam, of both of them are Aham Mama Pratyaya Gochara, Aham Mama Pratyaya Gocharatvena Prasiddham. Then why do you say Atma is Swatah Siddha? Pratyaya should be needed. Aham Pratyaya, Mama Pratyaya. Katham Atma Swatah Siddha iti ashankya. Siddhanti says it is because of Upadhi. You use Aham Mama Pratyaya. Upadhi Vashat Tatha Prasiddhi. Means when I say Atma, I am referring to Panchakosha Upadhi Sahita Atma. So this Panchakosha Upadhi is what I think as Aham. And Mama, when I say Mama Prakoshtam, this my room. So this room is for Panchamahabhuta, Panchakosha, not for Chaitanya Brahma. Sannidhau sarvada tasya syat tada bhobhimanakrit Atma atmiyam dvayam chatah. Sorry. Atmatmiyam dvayam chatah syadaham mama gocharaha. Sannidhau sarvada tasya syat tada bhobhimanakrit Atmatmiyam dvayam chatah Syadaham mama gocharaha. Sannidhau. Tasya sarvada sannidhau abhimanakrit तदाभो स्यात्. आत्मा आत्मीयं द्वयं च अतः अहं मम गोचरः स्यात्. अतः आत्मा आत्मीयं द्वयं अहं मम गोचरः स्यात्. Very simple shloka, but of course teaching is very profound. You will see this chapter in particular, Upadesh Sahasri in general also, there is no deviation from only one teaching. How I am Atma Brahma, how I am not samsari. Constantly hammer. There is no other vichara about Jagat, this, that. So, focus is only on this main thing. That's why when your mind is well prepared, you will enjoy this teaching also and this thinking also. Imagine if we had to think, let's say without shlokas. With shlokas also we are not thinking, that I know. Without shlokas, if we have to think in this kind of line, that how, what is the objective? You say, I need moksha. So Acharya in the beginning, what did he say? Siddha devaha ityasmat yushmad dharmo nishidyate. Rajvam ivahi dhir yuktya tattvamasya shasanaihi. You remember this shloka?
It's Swamiji, fourth shloka.
Siddha devaha ityasmat. So Atma is Siddha in that Yushmad Dharma Nishedayita. Asmad Dharma is me, Chaitanya. Yushmad Dharma Nisheda should be done. Okay. And he started saying that this Atma is Swata Siddha. It is Nitya Mukta. Then how Bandhana is possible? And somebody says for this removal of Bandhana, we should do Prasankhyanam, etc., etc. So he refuted all those ideas. And he's going to refute. So primary understanding should be Bandhana is Adhyastha. Adhyasa Nivritti is only through Jnana. Jnanam is different, Prasankhyanam is different. So Jnanam is the solution, Prasankhyanam has no role. And then what kind of Jnanam, where will Jnanam come from? From Shruti alone. Now here what is said, how there is a seeming Bandhana or how Atma becomes Shabda Pratyaya Gochara. So he says, Tasya Atmanaha Abhimanakrit, this Abhimanakarta, Ahankara. Tasya Sannidhau Sarvada, it is always in the proximity of Atma. Ahankara and Chaitanya, they are not away from each other, except for Sushupti.
Sushupti.
In Sushupti, Ahankara is not there. That's why all the Vichara Sthana is Sushupti. If you want to do Atma Vichara, Sushupti Drashtanta is taken. And then for Anvaya Vyatireka, Jagrat Swapna. So, Sarvada Sannidhau, Tad Abho Syat. Tad Abha means similarity, Sadrishyam. So, Ahankar becomes Tad Abha. and atah, therefore, atma, atmiyam, dvayam, both of them, they are aham mama gochara syat. Atma is aham pratyaya gochara. Atmiya is what belongs to me is mama pratyaya gochara. Tika. Abhimanakrit. Abhimanakrit is there in shloka. So Acharya says ahankara. Abhimanam karoti is ahankaroti ahankara. Tasya chidatmanah sarvada sannidhav. Tasya ahankarasya chidatmanah sarvada sannidhav. It is always in the proximity of Chaitanya. Sati tad abha Chaitanya prakasha yuktataya. Abha here is taken as illumination. That is also true. Abha means Chaitanya prakasha. That reflects on Atma. In Advaita Makaranda, there is a shloka. Abharupasya
रूपस्य विश्वस्य
विश्वस्य
आनंद
भासन्निधे
भासन्निधे विना
कदाचिन्नाह कल्प्येत भाचाहं तेन सर्वगत. Jagat Vishwa is Abharupa and Chaitanya is Bharupa. So Tadabha Chaitanya Prakasha Yuktataya Tadakaraha Syat. Ahankar becomes like Chaitanya. If somebody, let's say by mistake, ends up in Rishikesh and goes on wearing orange clothes because they didn't have any clothes and their friends or whoever that they knew were all Swamis. He say, you take my clothes and go wherever you want to go. Then after some time, he will also, even if he doesn't have any Chaitanya, he will appear like Chaitanya. Tadakara hasyat. Ato heto ho atma atmiyam dvandvam cha syat. And because of this, atma atmiya dvandva will happen. Aham mama iti vyavahara gocharaha ityartha. Atma will become aham pratyaya gochara, atmiya mama pratyaya gochara. This is the dvandva. Both of them. Tathacha. Sabhasa antakarana tadvritti avivekat atma aham iti mama iti cha bhasamano api swatah siddha eva swabhavatah iti bhav. Tathacha, and therefore what will happen? Sabhasa antakarana tadvritti avivekat. Atma and sabhasa antakarana and its vritti. Between them, viveka is not there now. Atma is one. Antakarana with Chidabhasa is separate. Atma, Antakarana with Chidabhasa. Between them there is Adhyasa. Between Antakarana and Chidabhasa, that Adhyasa is not our problem. Between Atma and this Sabhasa Antakarana, Aviveka is the problem. Avivekat, Atma, aham iti, mama iti cha bhasaman. Aham idam, mamedam. In this way, Atma is recognized. Mama shariram or aham shariram, aham manushyaha, aham purushaha, bhasamano api, swatah siddha eva swabhavata. Swabhavata swatah siddha. Atma is swayam prakasha rupa. Here we can stop. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Padarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritav Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेद विभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति।